Welcome to Eye-Catching Tech, where we explore the extraordinary world of unique vehicles that defy convention and push the boundaries of innovation. In this video, get ready to be amazed by vehicles you didn't even know existed. From futuristic flying cars to cutting-edge electric bikes, join us on a journey through the most eye-catching and tech-savvy vehicles that will leave you in awe. Subscribe now for an unparalleled glimpse into the future of transportation. Zoox. Introducing Zoox, the innovative four-wheeled cargo e-bike revolutionizing last-mile logistics and urban mobility. Engineered for versatility, it seamlessly navigates winding urban routes, serving as an efficient solution for both cargo deliveries and transporting individuals with limited mobility. With a remarkable power autonomy of 60 kilometers, Zoox ensures reliable performance, while its quick 5-hour charging time enhances operational efficiency. Designed for durability, the e-bike boasts an easy and robust system featuring alloy wheels, light suspension for heavier load resistance, and hydraulic disc brakes for enhanced safety. With a maximum payload capacity of 300 kilograms, Zoox stands out as a reliable and efficient solution for businesses and communities seeking sustainable and adaptable transportation options. Embrace the future of last-mile logistics with Zoox, where innovation meets reliability on every journey. Ninebot GoKart Kit. Experience a thrilling ride with the Ninebot GoKart Kit, a groundbreaking accessory that transforms your Ninebot Mini Pro base into a fully functional go-kart. Unveiling a new dimension of excitement, this kit allows you to reach exhilarating top speeds of up to 24 kilometers per hour. Its reversible design and impressive 10% hill grade capability ensure a versatile and dynamic riding experience. Take control with the convenience of an app, managing your ride effortlessly. The adjustable frame length, 3 speed modes, and a maximum payload of 100 kilograms cater to diverse preferences, making it a perfect fit for riders of all ages. Elevate your adventure with the Ninebot GoKart Kit, an extraordinary blend of innovation and performance that promises an unforgettable journey on every lap. Zoox XL. Introducing the Zoox XL, a culmination of over a decade of relentless development since our inaugural production in 2008. Born from extensive testing of hydrostatics and engine options, our commitment to innovation shines through every detail. Designed in collaboration with utility companies and rental fleets, the Zoox XL boasts an impressive 85 horsepower gas CFI engine with a torque of 203 Nm. Experience unrivaled versatility with its instant forward-to-reverse transition, coupled with liquid cooling for optimal performance in any terrain. Featuring both steering wheel and remote controls, this powerhouse delivers unparalleled control and convenience. On land, it achieves speeds of 27 to 40 km per hour, while gliding through water effortlessly at 5 km per hour. Embrace the pinnacle of off-road excellence with the Zoox XL, where power, agility, and reliability converge for an unmatched adventure. Iguana X100. Embark on aquatic adventures with the Iguana X100, a spacious 10 meters marvel designed to redefine your on-water experiences. This adventure boat seamlessly blends functionality with style, offering ample room and thoughtful design for maximum enjoyment. Whether it's water skiing, fishing, sunbathing, or pure exploration, the Iguana X100 opens up a world of possibilities as an all-terrain amphibious vessel. Powered by an impressive 600 horsepower engine, it reaches thrilling speeds of up to 45 knots, ensuring a dynamic and exhilarating ride. Its amphibious capabilities allow for a maximum ground speed of 6.5 km per hour, effortlessly transitioning from water to land. With a generous capacity of 16 passengers and a maximum payload of 1,866 kilograms, the Iguana X100 promises not just a boat, but a gateway to unparalleled aquatic adventures. Outrider Alpha. Meet the Outrider Alpha, a revolutionary recumbent trike-style electric bike that redefines the cycling experience. Crafted with the proven Outrider carbon belt-driven electric drivetrain technology, it features a cutting-edge planetary gearbox for enhanced performance, durability, and capability. The bike boasts an impressive battery capacity ranging from 1,500 to 6,000 watt-hours, customizable with 1 to 4 battery packs, providing an astounding 200+ miles of range. With a top speed of 45 miles per hour where permitted for 4 Series drive systems, the brushless permanent magnet motor ensures a powerful and efficient ride. The Alpine 11-speed internally geared hub option guarantees optimal pedaling convenience and reduced maintenance. With a ground clearance of 5 inches and an ultra-bright 900-lumen LED, the Outrider Alpha is not just a bike, it's a high-performance, long-range adventure waiting to unfold. BeTRITON Trailer. Discover the BeTRITON Trailer, a fully electric amphibious RV that promises unparalleled, sustainable, and unique outdoor adventures. Designed to redefine the conventional camping experience, this innovative trailer operates with a maximum power of 2,150 watt and a 48-volt voltage, ensuring eco-friendly exploration. The electronic motor lift facilitates seamless transitions between land and water, offering a distinctive travel experience. With a range of 25 km and a maximum speed of up to 8 km per hour, the BeTRITON trailer allows you to navigate diverse terrains effortlessly. Accommodating a maximum load of 260 kilograms and offering seating for 1 or 2 individuals, it's the epitome of versatility for those seeking an extraordinary journey that combines sustainability and adventure. Embrace the future of outdoor living with the BeTRITON trailer, where innovation meets eco-conscious exploration. Slingshot SL Limited Edition. The Slingshot SL Limited Edition is a head-turner from the get-go, elevating style with the perfect accents while retaining all the features enthusiasts love about the S model. Powered by a Prostar 2.0 liters 4-cylinder engine with multi-port injection, it demands 91 octane or higher for optimal performance. Boasting a peak power of 178 horsepower and a peak torque of 120 feet-pounds, the Slingshot SL Limited Edition ensures an exhilarating ride. Fueled by a 30 mAh battery, it reaches speeds limited to 125 miles per hour, with safety features like the standard anti-lock braking system and a distinct LED center brake light. With a responsive 2.5-turn steering, the Slingshot SL Limited Edition is not just a vehicle, it's a dynamic fusion of power, style, and cutting-edge technology that promises an unforgettable journey. CityHawk Air Taxi. Welcome to the future of urban air mobility with the CityHawk Air Taxi, an all-electric aircraft featuring cutting-edge technology for a safe and efficient flying experience. Powered by multiple hydrogen fuel cell stacks, this eVTOL marvel is designed to meet the safety standards of commercial flights. Equipped with 2 Safran Herial 2 Newtons turbo shaft engines, each delivering 985 horsepower, the CityHawk promises a powerful and reliable performance. Automation takes center stage in the CityHawk, offering a high level of pilot support through a 360-degree sensor system, minimizing workload and reducing training time. With a prototype capable of carrying 2 passengers, a near 1-hour flight time, a maximum ceiling of 8,000 feet, and speeds ranging from 150 to 170 km per hour, the CityHawk Air Taxi is poised to redefine urban transportation, blending sustainability with futuristic efficiency. KingFisher Modular. Dive into unparalleled fishing experiences with the KingFisher Modular, a kayak that stands out in its class. Offering a unique blend of fast, smooth paddling and unwavering stability, the KingFisher is a game-changer for fishing enthusiasts. Its modular take-apart design, trimaran hull, and dual rudders ensure optimal maneuverability and adaptability to various water conditions. Equipped with multiple attachment rails and bars, the KingFisher caters to customization needs, while its super stable platform allows for confident stand-up fishing. Boasting Swedish design and engineering, this kayak is available in 1 or 2-seater configurations, with a solo capacity of 287 pounds. Elevate your angling adventures with the KingFisher Modular, where innovation, stability, and versatility unite for an unmatched fishing experience. Yawboard All-Terrain. Experience the thrill of adventure like never before with the Yawboard All-Terrain, a fusion of the best features from scooters and skateboards taken to the next level. With an emphasis on power and lightweight design, this cutting-edge board features a full carbon deck for enhanced performance and durability. Equipped with enclosed batteries and a stiffer ride platform, the Yawboard All-Terrain ensures a smoother and more stable ride. Powered by two 700-watt motors with a peak power of 3,000 watts, it reaches a top speed of 35 km/h and offers an impressive range of 32 km on a single charge. With a maximum load capacity of 100 kilograms, this versatile board is built to tackle any terrain with ease. Elevate your outdoor adventures with the Yawboard All-Terrain and embrace the ultimate ride. Zoox. Zoox, at the forefront of autonomous mobility, introduces a revolutionary approach to city travel with its fully autonomous, all-electric vehicles. Designed for urban maneuverability, Zoox's Robotaxi boasts a 133 kWh battery, ensuring the ability to navigate cityscapes all day. With a four-wheel steering system, bidirectional design, and active suspension, each ride promises a seamlessly smooth experience. The incorporation of advanced features guarantees optimal agility, making Zoox an industry leader in autonomous transportation. The 8.6-meter turning circle is a testament to its exceptional maneuverability, allowing swift navigation through urban landscapes. Zoox stands as a beacon of innovation, paving the way for a future where autonomous vehicles redefine urban mobility, offering not just transportation but an unparalleled journey of efficiency and comfort. MDD-1. Meet the MDD-1, the electrifying monster vehicle that redefines off-road adventures. With powerful 3,000-watt motors, a 100-kilometer max range, and a robust 48 volts battery capacity, it's ready to tackle any terrain. Zooming at a max speed of 50 km/h, the MDD-1 ensures an adrenaline-packed experience, equipped with a 5-suspension system, off-road tires, and a hydraulic brake system. This beast seamlessly combines power and control. The versatile design features both pedal and removable seats, allowing for customizable experiences. With a max payload capacity of 300 kilograms, the MDD-1 isn't just a vehicle. It's a powerhouse engineered for rugged exploration, making every off-road journey an exhilarating and unforgettable experience. Get ready to unleash the untamed with the MDD-1. Wike Salamander. Experience the Wike Salamander, a game-changer in the world of compact cargo bikes. This innovative electric cargo bike doesn't just transport, it transforms, with a unique feature that instantly converts it into a stroller for two children. Offering unparalleled convenience, the Salamander facilitates easy access to public transit and boasts further folding capabilities, fitting seamlessly into the back of an SUV or tight storage spaces. Powered by a Shimano Step C 6100 250-watt motor and a Shimano 36-volt 418-watt-hour battery, the Salamander ensures an eco-friendly and efficient ride. With a carrier capacity of 45 kilograms, Shimano mechanical disc brakes, and folding VP 117 pedals, this compact cargo bike is not just about transportation. It's a versatile and practical solution for modern, on-the-go families. Atrina All-Terrain. Introducing the Atrina All-Terrain, a groundbreaking vehicle designed to conquer any landscape with its ultra-low pressure tires. Featuring two independent boat frames with hydraulic drive, the Atrina ensures unparalleled stability and control. The fully controlled rotary fracture unit, coupled with connecting hydraulic equipment, adds to its versatility. With an ultra-low center of gravity, a 4-cylinder carburetor engine, and a manual 5-gear system, the Atrina delivers a speed range of 1 to 50 km/h. The cabin accommodates 2 people, while the body can carry up to 8 individuals. Remarkably fuel efficient at 4 liters per hour, the Atrina boasts a robust load capacity of 1,000 kilograms, making it a reliable and versatile all-terrain vehicle for diverse needs. Experience the Atrina, where innovation meets rugged capability for limitless off-road adventures. Podbike Frikar. The Podbike Frikar redefines the e-bike experience with its fully enclosed and street-worthy design. Seamlessly blending beautiful aesthetics with comfort and safety, the Frikar is more than just a bike, it's a lifestyle statement. Perfect for a solo adult rider and a child, it offers a unique riding experience in all weather conditions thanks to its enclosed structure. With a range of 30 to 60 km per battery and the option to add extra batteries, the Frikar ensures you'll never be stranded. The electric assist propels you up to 25 km per hour, while the max downhill speed hits an exhilarating 60 km per hour. Convenience is at its core with an expansive 160 liters of storage space behind the seat. Embark on a stylish and eco-friendly journey with the Podbike Frikar, where form meets function for the ultimate urban mobility. MRV Modular Robotic Vehicle. The future of urban transportation is here with the modular robotic vehicle designed for seamless mobility in congested areas. This battery-powered electric vehicle packs a punch with 190 feet-pounds of torque, ensuring efficient and powerful performance. Its compact size makes maneuvering and parking a breeze in urban environments. The MRV's innovative e-corner design makes it lighter and more efficient, while the full drive-by-wire systems for propulsion, steering, and braking enhance its agility. With a redundant fail operation architecture and 4 independent wheel modules featuring 180-degree steering actuation, the MRV ensures reliability and adaptability. Liquid-cooled in-wheel propulsion motors, remote driving capability, and advanced software providing fine control contribute to an unparalleled driving experience. Zooming at a speed of 60 km per hour, the MRV represents the future of urban mobility, efficient, intelligent, and ready for the challenges of modern city living. Parajet Xplorer Flying Car. Unleash the extraordinary with the Parajet Xplorer Flying Car, a revolutionary light sports aircraft that seamlessly blends road and sky. In just minutes, the Xplorer transforms from a sleek road vehicle to an immersive flying experience, unrivaled by other forms of aviation. Boasting a twin-rotary engine with a displacement of 600 cc, it accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 4.8 seconds, generating 100 horsepower at 7,100 RPM. Designed for versatility, the Xplorer exhibits a short take-off and landing capability, turning open fields, grass strips, and secluded beaches into your preferred runways. With a max road speed of 137 km per hour and a max air speed of 80.5 km per hour, coupled with a flight time of 2.5 hours, the Parajet Xplorer transcends the boundaries of traditional travel, offering a thrilling adventure that defies gravity.